Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a well-equipped 2016 GMC Yukon Denali 4-wheel drive, stock number X536A. 75,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Yukon brand new, Iridium Metallic in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Yukon seats 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. These seats are also heated. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Push of a button on the inside of the doorway. Seat folds flat for additional cargo space. Push again. Will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Yukon is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash ready with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat easily with the push of a button. Second row also folds and tumbles from the rear. Will also reverse for the third row, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Memory settings for 2 drivers, 10-speaker Bose sound system. Power seats, power adjustable pedals, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof overhead, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Integrated trailer brake control. Heads up display for additional safety. Push button start. That heads up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Large, easy to read gauges. There's that forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Wireless cell phone charging. And lots of storage in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead. Auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power height adjustable power liftgate. Under the hood, this Yukon has a 6.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 65% of tire tread left. For more information on this Yukon, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.